Hey everyone, welcome back to Rick's Review Hub, where we dive into the best gear to make your life awesome. Today, I'm thrilled to talk about the Gaggia Classic Evo Pro Espresso machine, model RI938046. If you're a coffee lover dreaming of authentic Italian espresso at home, this machine is a total game changer. Stick around and grab it at the best price using the Amazon link in the description. Let's jump in. Let's break down the features that make the Gaggia Classic Evo Pro stand out. This semi-automatic espresso machine, made in Italy, is designed for home baristas who want cafe-quality results. It features a commercial-grade 58mm portafilter, which is wider than most consumer machines, holding about 14 to 18 grams of coffee for rich, full-bodied shots. The 9-bar pressure pump delivers optimal extraction, and the 3-way solenoid valve ensures a dry puck for easy cleanup. The stainless steel boiler is coated with an anti-scale and corrosion-resistant layer, boosting durability. The machine has a 1.3-liter water tank, so you're not refilling constantly. The commercial steam wand lets you froth microfoam for lattes and cappuccinos, and you can switch between brewing and steaming with a simple knob. It comes with single and double-shot filter baskets, a pressurized basket for pre-ground coffee, a tamper, a coffee scoop, and a water filter. The brushed stainless steel body is sleek and compact, perfect for any kitchen. The 2023 updates include a polished steel group cover and an improved mounting plate for less vibration and noise. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. Starting with the pros, this machine is a steal at around $400, offering commercial-grade features for an entry-level price. The 58mm portafilter is a big win, as it's compatible with pro accessories, making upgrades easy. The steam wand is powerful, creating creamy microfoam for latte art with practice. The build quality is top-notch, with a durable stainless steel body that looks stunning. It's great for both beginners and experienced baristas, as it's manual but not overly complex. Customers love its reliability. One reviewer said it's been pulling perfect shots for years with minimal maintenance. The 2-year warranty adds peace of mind. It's also compact, fitting small kitchens without sacrificing performance. On the cons side, there's a learning curve, especially if you're new to espresso. Dialing in the grind and tamping takes practice, but it's rewarding once you get it right. You'll need a separate grinder, as this machine doesn't have one built in, which adds to the cost. Some users report water leakage from the steam wand or group head, though this seems rare and often covered by warranty. The single boiler means you can't brew and steam at the same time, which might slow you down for multiple drinks. A few customers mentioned the drip trays paint peeling, but this is minor and doesn't affect performance. Cleaning requires regular maintenance, especially for the steam wand, to prevent clogs. So, should you buy the Gaggia Classic Evo Pro? Absolutely, if you're serious about espresso and want a machine that delivers professional results without breaking the bank. It's perfect for home baristas who enjoy the hands-on process and want a durable, compact machine. Whether you're pulling shots for yourself or impressing guests with cappuccinos, this machine brings authentic Italian quality to your kitchen. It's not the cheapest, but the value is unbeatable for the price, especially if you're skipping coffee shop visits. Before I wrap up, please hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for more reviews. If you're ready to brew like a pro, click the Amazon link in the description for the best pricing and special offers from Rick's Review Hub. It's an affiliate link, so your purchase supports the channel at no extra cost. Thanks for watching. If this review helped, please like, share, or subscribe. Drop a comment with your favorite coffee drink, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep brewing great coffee.